What's up, everyone? Electronic search here. Back with another video. Or Eureka video. Finally gonna be doing another one of these. This isn't much different from what's called from last video. I mean, maybe some differences in this dumb speaker. Wait, no, it's not the speaker's fault. Hold on, wait. Yeah, it's not the speaker's fault. For some reason, this dumb door decided to move away. This door is doing. In fact, this wiring harness is all the way back here. In fact, it's not even connected anymore. Someone probably tripped over this junk. Yeah, at least that speaker didn't fall. Alright, so why did he fall? Didn't even touch him. I mean, I did, but I didn't even move him down. I just did this, and for some reason he fell. It's ridiculous, man. These stupid shoes. Just trying to pick up these dumb headphones, and for some reason this dumb shoe has to get involved. Alright, so finally we're going to review this trash that's over here. That's been sitting here for like a month now, at least. See, I found some trash back here too. Just get a vacuum back there, so that way, just in case there's like a spider or something back there. This really has to get emptied soon. Alright, get in. Get in. No, there's not much trash in there. And then I still haven't made the video on it, but I don't feel like going all the way over there. Maybe this too. This is trash. Alright. So, we're gonna get to that in a second. Hold on. I was getting confused. Oh, yeah, give me this marker. Give me this marker. Where's the other one of these cones? Okay, put that marker thing right there. Get off. See, of course you have to fall down. Oh yeah, what I was trying to say. This Eureka video is in 60 frames per second. 1080p. And I don't know if I'm gonna get back to 4K Eureka videos. I don't really think that is still worth it. I might get a new phone at this point, because this battery life is at this point getting really degraded. I've been recording on the same camera lens, well, partially the same camera lens if you exclude the other two, but I don't know. I mean, the small storage space and the poor battery life, I might end up switching. I don't know. Plus, this thing is still 4G, and if you haven't known yet, this is still the now 3-year-old, well, almost 3-year-old. Wait, no. Wait, yeah. Almost 3-year-old iPhone 11 Pro Max that I unboxed back in like June 10, 2020. A very long time ago, which kind of feels like it wasn't a really long time ago, because pretty much nothing from 2020 changed, except some buildings reopening, but I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna get back to this trash, this right here. See, I might remove this pioneer. I thought I unplugged the Samsung. For some reason, he's still plugged in. I don't want to touch the 120 volts, so I can't do this one-handed. why is there so much grip on here, but when it's something else like this trash pioneer, it comes right out. Maybe because it's a 3-pin, maybe that's why. That could be potentially why. Someone put this trash up here. I shoved that under that TV. With this chair glide. And this pioneer thing. Unplug these speakers. Unplug them. Nobody needs these speakers. It's time to take this pioneer out of here. Okay, put the wiring back here for those dumb speakers. That because of those stupid speakers, I can't close this door. Because this dumb RCA decided that he needs to be a wired speaker. Alright, give me this wire. Alright, let me move this like 80-pound receiver out of the way. Oh my god. Alright. There you go. Well, he's not actually 80 pounds. 80 pounds I almost broke my back on when I was trying to remove that plasma TV. Oh yeah, that's right. Summertime. You're now gonna have this AC fan right up here. So you're gonna constantly hear this buzzing sound now. So I can't help that. That's the stupid old AC fan. Recording outdoor videos is gonna be hard because when that trash comes on, it's gonna be a headache. So now that we have more space because we got that thing out, this came in the mail. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of outlet, but who knows what it is. There's this, whatever that is. Oh, of course it's made in China. What else can it possibly be? Oh, they wrote it on here twice. Yeah, make sure it's made in China. Alright, we'll get to that later. I don't know what's in there. This. This I'm gonna have to destroy. There's still trash in here. I don't understand why it's not coming out. Get out of the box. So this is I'm just gonna review and I'm gonna throw it out right away. I really don't feel like caring about reviewing this trash. What is this? Oh, it's the thing that went over here, like the shipping label that I cut in half. Because I was trying to unbox this trash. Yes, he was like right here. Where's the other half? Where's the other half? Okay, well whatever. I don't care about it. What's this? Oh, of course it is. Have any scissors? Actually, wait. We can color this in. Oh, here's the other half. It's on this box. Alright, we'll throw that out. Of course, he's moving around. Wait, do I have tape down here? Thankfully, I do. Finally. Stop moving this tape. Just tape him to this box. Where's that marker? This is some kind of cheap marker. I don't know what it is. Well, I'll use it. It doesn't stink, so that's good. At this point, I've had enough of these stupid stickers. See if I can color in every single side. You know what? This is actually kind of a waste of ink. So instead of doing that, oh hey, here's scissors. All right, let me cut this off now. This piece of paper. There we go. All right, here it is. We don't need to see this. So, we'll throw that out right away. Don't even put it in that box. What else? Dish. Okay. This is our Hopper Duo access card. I don't want it anymore. There's no point in it. But yes, this is the Hopper, not the Hopper Duo. I mean the what's it called? The Wally back here. Access card to it. See, it matches the number on there, and then that's the Hopper 3 in the set, and then that stupid plasma TV, that Samsung, that first, the cardboard TV that I still haven't gotten rid of for some reason. So yeah, this I really don't care about that much. So in the trash it goes. Some more trash. This is pieces of broken LED lights. What is this? Okay, more trash. This, I don't know what this is. I found this on the floor. I don't know what this is. It says this best. Only for 2H. 2 hour. I don't know what this is. So, here's what that looks like. And we can throw that out. Actually, wait, no. I'll rip it. Using this sock. Alright, there it goes. I mean, I guess I can destroy this box too. You know what? I'm gonna make something out of this box for end of line. This piece of this United Airlines thing. Supposed to have this price tag thing on it. It's like everything else. For some reason it doesn't. Where's this hammer? We're gonna have fun with that. Might as well just drive this bike. So spoiler alert. Look at this cleaner basement. Alright. Where's that hammer? Why is this brake not work? I'm clicking the brake. I was holding the brake, for some reason it didn't work. Alright. Let's drive over there. It's ridiculous. Where's he going? My god. What's wrong with this stupid bike? I was holding down the brake and he kept on going. Like, what the heck? I'm literally holding the brake and it's still driving. Oh, that's why. It's not even holding to this dumb wheel. I almost crashed because of this stupid bike. This piece of trash. I almost knocked over the dumb wall. It's ridiculous. And I'm lucky that I braked in time. Alright. Oh. Well, there it goes. Alright, in the trash it goes. I don't think that was worth it. I almost knocked over the wall for that. This is pieces of LED lights. I really don't know if I need this or not. There's like this trash on here. This is probably from that old other lamp, and then there's the other side of it. I don't really care about it. And then this is probably that one that I destroyed. Also don't care about it. And then this, I don't know what this is. Probably from also some kind of lamp. There it goes. Some kind of QR code. Some kind of sticky trash on the back. I'm just gonna cut this in half. And I don't know what this goes to. If someone wants to scan that, then scan it. You like, you got this trash on here though. No, put this thing under it too. Great, and it fell out. Alright, so there's whatever that is. Alright, now, access cards. These are some access cards that were right here with that video. I picked out some of them that were good, and I put them in here. And then in here is just the drum thing. But I only kept a select few of them. And then the rest I decided to get rid of, because there's pretty much nothing on them. And see, this one's has the stuff on the back. It's just these DirecTV ones. I think I have some down here too, but I don't know. So if it's only this dish, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So, I don't know what to do with these. I guess we can use the hammer on them. Well, let me put it far away. Safety first. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna rip them. Actually, wait, no, we can just cut them. Alright. Okay, they don't cut either. So, there we go. Well, there's that. And in the trash it goes. Now, finally, we're almost there. And then that piece too. These two lights, if you might know from that video where I got what that wire from that speaker came out. This stupid bike. What happened? The heck? What the heck? How did it go over the... I don't know what the Chinese have done with it. Huh. I don't know how they manufactured that. Where the base of the light got stuck in this lamp thing. Like the base of it from that cheap lamp. Well, I got the base out. It's in this dumb box. This, I do not recommend this. This is extremely cheap. I put it in the base. This TCP has served much better. In fact, ever since the one in here broke, this is now our second one. The first one accidentally broke it because I unscrewed it and it fell on the floor. And then there's another TCP in here. I just changed out the light fixture though. It fell and it broke, but before it has worked really well, and I'm pretty sure that's my fault because this is concrete floor, just carpeting on it, but this is still some thin carpet. Especially this one. Even the vacuum, like, just like sucks the I don't know what it's called, like the carpet out of the carpet, like the yarn or whatever, I don't know. So, yeah. And in this case, it's that shark thing. But, yeah. So, here it is. I think I taped them, yeah. This is going to be featured in End of Line. And here's that trash LED light. Throw that out right away. Here it is. This is the thing that got stuck in the base. As you can see, I damaged the base a little bit by cutting it out. Why is it not focusing? There we go. See, the base. Oh my god, come on. Focus. The heck? Oh, there we go, finally. Never mind. Oh my god. Why isn't it not focusing? Okay, there we go. See, there's like a cut. And oh, wait, no, there's another one right there. from that base for me trying to get it out. Absolute trash. Don't buy this. I mean, yeah, it's cheap. And look, this thing just fell out. Wait, what? It's a screw? Wait, what? Is this a screw? It's a screw. Or at least it has threads on it. I don't know. So anyways, we're gonna destroy the base. I wonder if I ever said in a Eureka video, don't try this at home. Have I ever said that in a Eureka video? I don't think I ever said that, but still, never, don't try this at home. It's like the first time I'm saying that in my whole YouTube career. Well, there it is. In the trash it goes. The light bulb, however, you're gonna see an end-of-line video on that. And this is the TCP light, the one that fell. And I kind of got mad at that point and I threw it. And that's where the base got damaged. But overall, this thing held up more than that thing. This thing did not break the base off in the light socket, at least. And let's see if we can try to get this base off without damaging the light, but just the base of it. Turn that around again. Okay, it's coming off. Just a little bit more. There we go. Well, there's like a motherboard inside of it. Oh, wow. No wonder the TCP is better. It's like that great value one. Remember that great value one that I had? The one that burnt out? It's like similar. So that's the first time I'm opening up one of these TCP LEDs. Wow. You know what? I'm not gonna destroy this. I'm going to keep this right here on the collection shelf. I'm impressed. Wow. I mean, yeah, the base part made a big mess, but that's okay. I don't care about the base since now I destroyed it. Wow. And look at this base. It still hasn't came out in pieces, even though the first time I hit the other one, this like metal thing with like a thread on it for a screw popped off, and this one isn't. Wow. Well, there's that. Wow, I'm actually quite impressed. Oh, it fell. Well, I had some protective stuff down there, so that was like perfect. Clean up some of this plastic so that way it doesn't fall out of it later. Oh wait, no, it's not gonna fall out. It's actually like stuck in there. Wow, I'm impressed. I mean, yeah, it might have cracked in some places, but this stuff has more. Where's the other light? For comparison, I accidentally hit that P on there. For comparison, here's the inside of this. Nothing. Just a capacitor and this wire. Nothing else. Nothing. Holy cow. Okay, I was not expecting that to be loud. Look at this. There's actually circuits in here. No wonder it's better than this other one. And I don't really care about the box. That's the original box to this one. This one is the replacement of this one. And then obviously I replaced the TCP with a new TCP. Man, I wish we got more of these. And these were free. Those were also free. But these are much better quality. And even the build quality too. I'm just gonna write on it to why it's like over here. Get a camera view. And in better light level. Old wall to light. There. And I'm gonna be keeping this because I'm actually impressed. That's the first time I destroyed one of those. Alright, well, there's all the trash in here. We can drive this bike and that hammer back. Actually, no, I'll keep the hammer just in case there's something in there that we don't need. Like some kind of trash these babysitters bought. I'll keep the box, though. I'll keep the box. The heck? I put the brake up. The brake was up. How did he sit up that time? I could have sworn he was like this just a few seconds ago. The heck? Huh. Alright. Hopefully this won't disappoint me. Maybe this could actually be useful over here. But I already construction glued that extension cord to the wall. But whatever. Alright, what's in here? Okay, some stuff. Boxes. Is this manual? What is this? Why is it so light? Mini plug outlet split. Why is there even anything in here? Oh, it's another one. The heck? There is something in here. Hey, no, there is nothing in here. The heck? What is this? There's just a cord. No, there's something else in there. Okay, so that's probably it. Yeah, no wonder it's so light. There's just an empty box. Starting to think that this is probably a scam or something. And then this bag. You know what? No, I'm gonna keep this bag. There we go. Give it some extra protection. I was about to rip it, but I changed my mind. Well, the extra protection came in hand. Alright, there we go. Perfect. What is this? Okay, some manual for the adapter. What else is in here? What is this? The heck? It's a mirror. What is this? What is this? Why is it the heck? Why is it a mirror? What is this thing? Is this an alarm clock? It says alarm on it in the snooze. The heck? Oh, there's no batteries in it. Clearly shows an adapter. What is this? It's USB too. USB-A. What is this trash? Alright, well there's the... This should have been useful in the beginning of the video when I mentioned the camera. Okay, let's... Well, I do have a USB-A source. Don't have an adapter, but I have the Dell. I'll just use the eSATA port. Oh, hey, it works. Okay. What is that? I think the LCD is damaged. I think we broke the LCD when we unboxed it. It's like flickering on camera. Okay. Is it a touchscreen? No. Okay, well it takes power from the Dell. It's like destroyed. This is actually a mirror. The heck? What is this? Is the LCD damaged? Who ordered this stupid alarm clock? There's a brightness setting on it. How do you set the time? And clicking on the LCD doesn't make a difference. Alright, do we need this piece of trash? Oh, what did that say? Do we need this? What is this? Someone really buy some kind of alarm clock for the wall. Yeah, just have an alarm clock up here. Yeah, obviously we need that. Who bought this? Give me the battery door. Put some batteries in this thing. Turn the brightness down. How do you turn the brightness down? How did you turn... Where's the down button? There's the down button. Doesn't work anymore. Oh, it's the up button. Oh, so you use the up button to turn the brightness down. Okay, so that's interesting. Okay. Alright. Don't need this manual. And this box. So where's the outlet thing? Was there even an outlet in here? Oh, what the heck? This cardboard just like broke in half. What the heck? Trying to make it fit in the box. Wall of China too. Destroy the stupid box. Alright, you might want to turn the volume down. What the heck? It's like the highest quality box, but the alarm clock is damaged. The heck? It's not even supposed to be an alarm clock. I'm literally destroying the box really easily. Okay. It fell apart now. Wall of China 2 cardboard. Not anymore. There's trash in here. Okay, well, there's the box. Alright, well, that was fun, I guess. Is this the same brand? No, it's not. Okay. Oh. That was awesome. Alright, put the hammer back on the bike and put it back in the... the spoiler alert. Hold on. Alright, that was it. I'm still gonna have to wrestle with this stupid trash can. Something come out of it? No? Okay. Put these scissors back where they were and put this marker back in here too. And then the bike, so this hammer doesn't fall out. What the heck is it doing? What is he doing? What's wrong with this dumb bike? The stand was up. Literally put the stand up and he just fell. So what's the point of this? Why did we... Just why? Okay, how do I turn off the alarm? That flashing right there, how do I turn that off? Do I click alarm? How do I turn it off? Not change the brightness on it. I'm just changing the brightness on the icon, but it's not turning it off. It's not disappearing. Click snooze. How do I turn off alarm? I don't want it to go off in the middle of the night. I haven't even put an alarm on it yet. I don't care. I'm not gonna wrestle with that trash. Alright, let's get this bike out of here. Put the handle up. What is he doing? Turn around. Better not drop this hammer. Put the thing up. Don't drop this hammer. Oh my god. This stupid bike. Right there it goes again. Let's try the bike. It's ridiculous. Balance this trash. Swear to God, if it falls on that tile floor. Oh my god, you know what? You know what? Just drive this trash bike over there first. Okay, of course he fell on the floor. Alright, let me go put this hammer away. In the spoiler alert. We're almost done with this Eureka video. Alright, now for this dumb bike. Get this piece of trash out of here. Come on. Of course he ran over my foot. Where's he going? Look. I'm holding down the brake. Where's he driving to? This dumb trash. I'm still holding the brake. I don't know where he's driving to. But he just ran into that dumpty. Got the stupid slippery floor. Where's he driving to? What's this stupid bike doing? Yeah, perfect. Right into the painting. Where's this dumb light? To run into the stupid TV. Just see it before he breaks this tile. Is there this junk on the floor? Let me out. This trash bike. There we go. Alright, done over here. Alright, yeah, we're done. Well, thanks for watching. Oh, what's the percentage of this? 82%. Interesting. It's been down here for like a week. Can't close this dumb door. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys later. And I know this has been a long video. Bye.